And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing an unboxing on a lot of phones I got. As you see, it's a big box. And these, I think most of them at least come with the actual box, so it's pretty cool. Alrighty. This was $20. Let me pull up the listing real quick so I can show y'all. We have 7 phones for $20 with free shipping. And here we are. Look in there. First one, I guess we'll start with this one, is a Kyocera 2135 Verizon device. I think I already have one, but mine doesn't work, so it's nice to have another one. This is one of 2 Motorola V190s. Let's take a look at these real quick. There will be unboxing videos of these as well. Here's one. Sticky. These are singular devices, so that's pretty cool. There's 2 of those. Another one in there. Let's go and take a look at the Kyocera real quick. Here it is. Exactly like the one I have already, but there's also a Samsung charger, I think. Yep. A Samsung charger. Not all the phones have boxes, but most of them do. Here's Nokia 6010 with T-Mobile. And a prepaid box. Here's Motorola WX345 manuals. Here is another Kyocera Dora phone. One of those older people phones in a way. There's a phone in here. This is one I was actually kind of looking at that I was going to buy individually, but I couldn't find it. It's a Samsung R225M. I see the rubber's deteriorated over that cover, but T-Mobile phone. Probably needs charged. Here's a little pouch for one of the phones. And then this one is a Motorola WX345. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing of all of this. I think it's all of them. Yep. So I'll do separate videos. I'll do another update video. Like I said, I posted in my video last night. I was going to do one more update video with these ones in there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.